Hey everyone, we are live on Vaughn TV for Sunday, September 8th, eBay auction box break of 12-13 in the game, Ultimate Memorabilia Hockey. Last team to end in the auction last night was the Jets. Winnipeg Jets ended September 8th at 22:58:05 Eastern Time. Here is our team list. So there we go. And we're ready to open. So good luck, everybody. Here we go. We have Ultimate Base Card Emerald of Sergei Fedorov for the Detroit Red Wings out of 60. Sergei Fedorov for Detroit out of 60. Base Emerald. Future Stars Auto and Patch Silver one color patch out of 24 of Anthony Mantha, who I am pretty sure got drafted by Detroit. So that is another Detroit hit, if I can remember correctly. And we have a nicknames silver for the Toronto Maple Leafs of Felix Potvin, the cat, with a jersey of 24. And that is that. So thank you very much for joining. I appreciate it. Be sure to check my eBay page as I have another box break ending tonight. Appreciate it if you would join. If not, have a great one, everybody, and take care.